Hey there, mathematicians. One of the big skills that we learn in second grade is counting coins. This is the Money Pieces app. The Money Pieces app allows for you to count coins. Let me show you how it works. Over here on the side, you'll notice that I have some coins. Well, so far we've been learning about the penny, which is 1 cent, the nickel, which is 5 cents, and the dime, which is 10 cents. So I can go ahead and I can add a penny. I can drag in a nickel. I can drag in a dime. I can drag in a whole bunch of dimes. I can drag in a whole bunch of nickels. I can even drag in dollar bills. Pretty cool. Now, if I want to clear my screen, I'm going to hit these round circular arrows, and then it's going to ask me, do you want to clear your work? Yes, and now I have a brand new screen. So in second grade math, we practice counting coins a lot. So I can have 1 dime, 2 dimes, 3 dimes, and each dime is worth 10 cents. So I like to click on the little drawing tools, and up on the side will appear my pencil. So now I can go ahead and write that 1 dime is 10 cents, and this dime is 10 cents, and this dime is 10 cents. So now 10, 20, 30. I have 30 cents. Pretty cool. Now if I want to clear, I just hit those circular arrows, and I can add in nickels. Nickels will let me count by fives. So let's see. 1 nickel is worth 5. Another nickel, 5. And the last nickel, 5. So now I need to count by fives. 5, 10, 15. So I have 15 cents. When I want to clear, I hit the circular arrows. And I can also count my pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5 cents. So the Money Pieces app is really, really a great way for you to get some extra coin practice. Now, I want to show you something else. In second grade, we mix up the coins. So now I have all coins that are mixed. So this really helps me if I write down how much each coin is worth. But I want to show you another amazing feature. In this bottom corner here, I've clicked on Just Show Me the Coins. But my other little feature will let you see how much each coin is worth. Notice that when I added in my dime, I have 10 little boxes because the dime is worth 10. When I added in a nickel, it has 5 boxes because the nickel is worth 5 cents. And my penny only has 1 box because the penny is worth 1 cent. So if I'm not that great at counting coins yet, I can use the feature that shows me how much each coin is worth. Because now I can count the boxes if I have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So a dime, a nickel, and a penny equals 16 cents. So the Money Pieces app is a great way for you to get in some practice. Let's try one more. This time I want to make sure that I'm clicked on to the show me how much it's worth. And I'm going to put them in a different order this time. Oh, I'm going to make this tough. All right. So now, if I was counting money, I would always count the coins that are worth the most first. And the neat thing about this app is I can move them around. So I'm going to take all my dimes and put them in the front because I know my dimes are worth 10 cents each. My nickels are next, so I'm going to stick my nickel next because that's worth 5. And then my pennies are worth 1. So if I know what all my coins are worth, I can start to count all my coins in my mind. Or I can use a number grid. Or I can count all of the little boxes to help me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37 cents. All right, my mathematicians, I want you to click on the Money Pieces link that you can find in the Seesaw directions. I want you to practice counting some coins. If you need some help with their value, go ahead and make sure you click on the Show Me the Value symbol. And if you only want to see the coins because you're really good at counting them, then you can go ahead and just use the Show Me the Coin button. You can even go back and forth if you need some help. Remember that to clear your screen, you hit the double arrows. Now, after you've practiced, I'm going to put some tough ones in Seesaw to see if you can tell me how much the coins are worth. All right, go ahead and get started practicing in the Money Pieces app.